Warning: Wild Nature of Legend is a fan fiction show, and has no connection to Toho, Legendary, Universal, or other companies that own the intellectual properties presented herein, and it's not made for small children. Viewer discretion is advised.
There once was a tiger who lived with his friends on an island twice the size of Central America. And they all battled to save the inhabitants and bring peace to the island. This is the legend we look forward to. This is the legend we all been waiting for. It's the wild nature of legend. Wild nature of legend. Come on, let's get going. We got a huge island to protect. We'll have an adventure to enjoy.
Hey, Jade.
Ah!
Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to startle you. Ugh. It's fine, Carlo. I hate it when I get startled. I know. So, what are you doing? Nothing much. Just looking up at the clouds. Cool. Mind if I join? Yeah, sure, I don't mind. Alright. Jade, look at that cloud. Wow. It looks like a fish. Yeah, a big fish in the sky. Hey, look at that one. That cloud looks like a mammoth. Whoa, I guess that one looks like a T-Rex. Ooh, very creepy. Hey Jade, you want to come back to the base with me? Yeah, sure. I'm wondering how the others are doing. Yeah, same here. Alright, Carlo. Let's go. Right behind you. How is the meditation going, Kason? It's going okay as always, Isaac. Glad to hear. Is lunch almost ready, Boris? Yeah, it'll be ready soon. Okay. Hey, Jade. How was the weather? It was going great, Kingzilla. Me and Carlo saw a bunch of clouds shaped like anything we saw.
That's cool.
I'm glad you enjoy the weather, Jade and Carlo. Thank you. Very appreciated. Jade, Carlo. What's up, Kingzilla? Isaac wants to see you for a couple minutes. Okay. Let's go see Isaac, Carlo. I'm a-comin'. We're here, Isaac. Hey, Jade and Carlo. Come and take a seat. Okay. So, how you doing, Isaac? Nothing much, Jade. And also, how's the weather? It was going great, Isaac. While me and Carlo were outside, we saw a couple of clouds shaped like animals. Whoa, nice! What animal-shaped clouds did you see? Me and Jade saw one of them looking like a fish, and another one we saw looked like a mammoth, and the last one we did see looked like a creepy T-Rex. Oh man, how creepy is it? Well, when it has its mouth open with lots of teeth, it's very creepy. Oh dear. Yeah, I know. Like I said, it's very creepy. Totally. So, Isaac, you want to walk around the island with us? Absolutely. What was that? I don't know. Sounds like someone roaring. Well, whatever it is, we better go outside and check it out. Follow me. You heard our friend Isaac. Let's go. Okay, I'm coming. Something fishy is going on here. I know, Carlo, but we've got to find out. Guys? What's up, Isaac? Look. No way! Who are these guys? I'm not sure. but it appears that a T-Rex is present along with a swarm of carnivores. Okay, and what are they doing? I think they're killing innocent animals. What? Why are they doing this? I honestly have no idea, but we better find out once we fight them. Right. Okay, let's go. No, don't eat me. Ah! Huh? What the heck? Ah! I gotta say, little guy, you are tough. Who are you? And why are you killing innocent animals? My name is Killer Fang. And the reason why we're killing innocent animals, it's because me and my gang are wanting to take over the island. We won't let that happen, Killer Fang. Yeah, whatever this you're all doing is a crime. And plus, every species of animals on the island needs to live in peace. And if you dare plan to invade the island, we're gonna have a fight to the death. Is that so? Well, if you insist, Jade. I'm assuming that's your name. But right now, we got things to settle in our own base. We'll be seeing you very soon, Jade. Come on, gang. Let's head back to our base.
Right behind you, Killer Fang.
Man, that guy's a psycho. Yeah, I totally agree. Well, there's no need to worry about it, so let's go back to our base. Maybe we can prepare for an upcoming battle. Alright, let's go, Isaac. Okay. Hey, Jade. What's going on with you three? Kason, there's something we have to explain to our friends. What is it? We'll explain everything, but we have to gather our friends to the table first. Okay. So, Jade, what exactly do you want to chat to us about? Alright, guys. I'm pretty sure you're wondering why we gathered you all here. You see, while we were outside, we saw a T-Rex named Killer Fang and his group of carnivores. Okay, and what are they doing out there? They were killing innocent animals outside the base. What? Sweet mother of snowcats! That's awful! Is there a reason why they're doing this? I'm glad you asked, Michael. The reason why they're killing innocent animals outside the base, it's because they want to take over the island itself. That is not cool. Yeah, tell me about it. Well, if they take over the island, what's gonna happen next if they do? We don't know yet, but if one of us discovers evidence, we'll figure out a way to put a stop to it. So, what are we gonna do in the meanwhile if we haven't found any evidence? I say we prepare for battle, and maybe we can stop them from what they're doing. That's a great idea, but here's the question. How are we gonna fight them if there's 5 of them and there's 17 of us? Actually, we can make it a 10 on 5. 2 of us for every one of them. That sounds good enough. So, when do we start fighting? I guess maybe tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. Okay, whatever you say. Alright, you guys are dismissed. When Killer Fang and his gang are near our base, I'll let you guys know. Understood, Jade. Okay, folks, let's proceed. Alright, gang, we're here. Ooh, boy, I've been waiting for this. I know, Kalut. Plus, all of us have been waiting for this. Do you think Jade is in there, Killer Fang? I'm very positive, Sorrow Fang. Now, time to let them know we're here.
What was that?
That's the roar of Killer Fang Jade told us about. Jade! It's Killer Fang! He's near our base along with his gang. Okay, Carlo, take 7 of our friends outside with us. We got a battle to prepare for. I'm on it. Come on, Isaac. Right behind you.
Killer Fang, they're coming.
Alright, gang. Get prepared. Yes, sir. Ah, Jade. Looks like you're right on time. Oh, you bet I am. And would you look at that? You got a bunch of friends with you. It looks like it's going to be 5 of us against the 10 of you. You got that right, Killer Fang. As long as you try to fight us with your gang this short, you'll never be able to outnumber us. Killer Fang? What is it, Dark Claw? I think I remembered something while we're still here. You see, while I was in Jade's space hiding this afternoon, I counted how many people in Jade's group, and now that I realized, I don't think there are 10 heroes in the group. Wait, what are you talking about? What I'm saying is that there are 10 people outside, and there are 7 more heroes in the base, and you're not gonna like it when I say this, but there are 17 people in the group. Say what? Wait, you snuck in our base without having us noticed? You sneaky Carnotaurus. You mean to tell me that there are 17 people in a whole group? Yeah, like when you have a math question in your mind. You have a 10 and a 7, and you add them together, and then you have 17. Well, dang. Well, we'll worry about it till later. Right now, we have a fight to start. Okay. This will be our fight to the death, Jade. And once we take you all down and kill all innocent animals, we will have the island to ourselves. We'll see about that. Charge, boys! I gotta admit, you two are tough big cats, but we're still going to win, no matter what. We're not gonna let you, Killer Fang. If you and your gang keep battling us for it, you're not going to enjoy what happens next. Oh, is that so? Well, I could care less. Have it your way, then. Darn, he's too fast. I can't even get a quick target. God, get off of me! Boris! How long do we have to keep this up for? Jade, Killer Fang's gang is getting stronger. You gotta call for backup. Right. Time to die! What the? What? They have a T-Rex on their side? How is this possible? Wait, I know what Darklaw told me. There are 17 heroes in the group, and that T-Rex is part of the group. I should have known. Gang, fall back! Eh? What's going on, Killer Fang? We're at a disadvantage. they have a T-Rex in their group, and Kalut is injured. Well, this is why I already told you about how big Jade's group is. This isn't over, Jade. This isn't the last you've seen any of us. The next time we meet, my gang will be having more carnivores than 5, and we will have a chance to win and claim this island. And there will be nothing for you to stop us. Well, we'll see what you got next time, Killer Fang. And the next time we fight, things won't go easy on you. Whatever. Come on, gang. Let's go back to our base. You're the boss. Let's go. Alright, my friends. Let's return to our base. We got things to deal with. Let's go, guys. I hope we find evidence soon. Well, gang, it looks like we lost the fight. Yeah, all because of that T-Rex who tried to kill me. Well, we did get the upper hand and almost had them, so what are we going to do now?
What do you mean, Sorrowfang? We're outnumbered.
Yeah, especially they know how to fight us, and they're preventing us from succeeding our plan. Yeah, but if we don't succeed our plan, we'll never be able to invade the island.
He does have a point there.
I just wanted to succeed this plan so bad. Trust me, Sorrowfang. We all do.
Hey, Killer Fang.
Yes, Rage Tooth?
About what you said to Jade before we headed back here, are you actually thinking of getting more carnivores to make your gang bigger?
Well, I'm thinking of doing it right now.
Wait, really?
Yup. If we get every single species of carnivores on our side, we'll be able to outnumber them. Sounds like a neat idea. Alright, gang. Let's go find some carnivores. Yes, sir. Villains these days. Hey, Jade. Huh? You okay? Oh, hey, Kason. I'm just feeling a little stressed because of these villains. Oh yeah, that. These guys are really desperate, are they? Yeah, they always wanted to take over the island, and we can't let that happen. I know, Jade. I know how it feels. I really hope we uncover the evidence soon. I hope so too, buddy. Killer Fang's planning to take over the island, and we still don't know why. What roar is that? That, my friend, is the roar of my brother. Wait, you have a brother? Yep, I do. Okay, what's his name? His name is Corvanico. Ooh, cool name. And also, he's coming to see us, so whatever you do, be calm and gentle to him. Alright then. Hey brother, long time no see. Sup bro? Anyways, what's with the commotion about? Well, you see Corvanico, we were having a situation about a villain named Killer Fang planning to take over the island along with his gang, and here's a question I have to ask you. What's that? What are Killer Fang and his gang going to do next if they take over the island? I think I know why that's the case. Wait, really? Yup. As far as I'm concerned about it, they'll turn the summit mountain into a volcano. And then they'll start erupting the volcano, and they'll have the island go up in flames. So, that's how they take over the Great Summit Island? You got it correct, Jade. And right now, they're looking for additional carnivores to expand their gang. Well, if Killer Fang arrives near our base for a second fight, with his gang so big, is there anything that can overpower them? I think, Jade, you can involve a Godzilla to the fight. Wow, that's a genius idea, bro. It sure is. And here's a question I'm gonna ask. Do you have the most powerful Godzilla/demigod in this universe? Yes, we do. And the name of our powerful member is Kingzilla. I see. Well then, tell you what, my tiger friend. Tell Kingzilla that if Killer Fang and his gang overpowers you and your group, he will come out and finish them off. I will, Corvanico. I promise. Good. I must go back to the afterlife. The council's expecting me. See you around, fellas. Take care, brother. You too, Kason. What do you say, Jade? You ready to end this madness once and for all? You bet. Let's go, Kason! Right behind you! Alright, my gang. Is this all the carnivores you all got? Of course, Killer Fang. We got a lot of them. And they're all prepared and ready, sir. Excellent. Now, let's go and beat those heroes once and for all. Right away, sir. Well, guys, you all ready? We're all ready, Jade. Good. Hey, Jade? Yes, Blazewing? Are you sure that Kingzilla is gonna finish off Killer Fang and his gang when we get overpowered by them? Yes, trust me. I'm sure it's gonna work. Okay. Jade, it's Killer Fang. He's coming along with his gang. Okay, guys, get prepared. Well, Jade, it looks like you got a couple of your friends outside for the battle. How fun! Whatever you say, Killer Fang, and for as long as we're here, we'll never let you and your gang invade the island. Yeah, and while you're busy last night, Jade told us everything about what you're doing. What? Who told you? The God of Devils, aka Kason's brother, told me. Yeah, and about what you're planning on, turning the summit mountain into a volcano, erupting the volcano, and having the island go up in flames, I believe these are the ways you quote-unquote take over the island. Darklaw, how did they know all this? Well, haven't you noticed? The God of Devils, known as Corvanico, told Jade all about it, and Jade told the rest of his friends about it.
Killer Fang, what do we do now?
We have no other choice but to fight. We're not gonna let those heroes get in our way forever. Alright. What do you say, guys? You all ready to take them down once and for all? We are all ready, Jade. Long live the Summit Island heroes! Yeah! I've been looking forward to beat the living sense out of you, Killer Fang. Once we beat you all down, the island will be safe from you. Let's end this. Bring it on! Attack! Hey, Raptor Boy, try and catch me! Gah, my eye! Ow! 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 Ew! Ah! Ooh! Jade! It's my time to shine. You really think you can stop us now? I always knew you're weaklings. You see the others down there? They are getting overpowered by my gang, and they're not strong enough against us. Now, any last words before I rip you to shreds? Actually, I have a few words.
Huh?
My group may not be able to outnumber your gang of carnivorous dinosaurs, but we have a Godzilla.
Say what? Ow! That burns! Who did that? What is that thing?
It looks like a Godzilla, but it looks different.
Kingzilla.
You okay, Jade? Yep, I'm fine. Thanks. Anytime. And as for you, Killer Fang, your reign of terror and invasion comes to an end right now. You and your gang are too dangerous to be retained on the island. And you have two options. Leave the island and never come back, or go to hell for the crimes you committed. Make him bleed.
What the?
Ha! 3 T-Rexes with a single blow. You think you can destroy the son of Kingzilla?
Come on! What are you waiting for? Get 'em, fools!
You heard the boss.
Get 'em! What? Impossible! How is he that powerful? Does he have so much firepower or something?
Well, I'm dead.
Killer Fang! No! No! This can't be! Dang it! I could have saved him! Hi? Oh god. He's staring at us. Aggressively.
Yeah, and second thought, no one has ever seen a Godzilla take down a huge army like that before.
You know what, guys? I'm going to call it quits. That sounds great to me.
Everybody run!
He did it. The animals and the island itself are safe in peace. We won. Nice work, Kingzilla. I knew you can do it. Thanks, Jade. Very appreciated. Anytime. Okay, the Great Summit Island is safe in peace, and the rest of the villains ran away without their leader. So, what now? I think, Isaac, now is the time for us to celebrate our victory and live peacefully on Summit Island. That sounds great, Carlo. Yeah, totally. Alright, everybody. Let us celebrate our victory and live peacefully on Great Summit Island. Hey, Jade. Sup, Carlo? Let me guess, you're looking up at the clouds again? Yep, I am. Mind if I join? Of course. Hey, Jade. Mind if we join in as well? Absolutely, Kingzilla. Wow, these shape-shifting clouds are really cool. I know, Isaac. They are cool when they are shaped like animals, insects, etc. So, Kingzilla, yeah? How long have you been training yourself for? I'm glad you asked, Jade. I've been training myself for 120 years. Wow, that's really long. Yep, it is, Carlo. And after 120 years of self-training, I have fought a lot of foes who are out to get me. That's cool. Yep. And just remember, Jade, nobody will terrorize our island while we're here.
Killer Fang. Looks like you failed to succeed your plan. Heh, don't worry. I'll take your place in charge and complete this plan for you. Everything's all on me now. If those pathetic carnivores won't kill this demigod Gojira, my robot will do it. Once he defeats this so-called Kingzilla, we'll have an opportunity to exterminate that puny tiger and the rest of his friends. The life on the Great Summit Island will fall.